Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today it's actually late at night. We are gonna be doing a makeup tutorial on the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm gonna do before anything is I'm gonna prime my eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use whatever I have left in the back of my hand from the concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows with. So doing makeup right now is a little different for me because I did get lash extensions from one of my coworkers. So it's a little different applying makeup. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go on with Cavity, which is this hot pink. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pigmented. Oh my god. That's gorgeous. Then use Root Canal, which is this neon purple right here. I did get my September Sephora Play box in the mail today. Now I'm going to use a little bit of Coma. Now obviously to go underneath my brow bone, I'm going to really brighten it up with Glucose, which is this vibrant, beautiful, pure white shade. Okay, so for on top of the actual lid, I am actually gonna I'm gonna go ahead and reapply a little bit of the concealer to make sure that my next shadow really sticks really well. The shadow I'm gonna use is Candy Floss. Comb my lashes. I'll comb them real quick to kind of get the fallout off of my lashes. It's so weird. I've never had eyelash extensions before, so this is definitely different, but I do like them. Since I've gotten my lash extensions, I have not tried to apply any eyeliner at all, so I'm going to go ahead and use my usual Kat Von D, and we'll see how this goes. I'm getting so irritated. Okay, so I only apply just a straight line for right now, and I like it. I don't think it looks bad. Going back in with Root Canal with the same brush that I applied it with, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the bottom lash line. So for my foundation, I will be using the Revlon Color Stay. I have been addicted to this stuff lately. I didn't think I would like it at all, but I love it. I actually fell in love with this foundation. I wouldn't try it for the longest time, and then I tried it and I was like, huh, it ain't that bad. So I took a little bit of the concealer just like this, and I took it underneath my eye and drag it down and all the way across. I'm setting my face with the Airspun. I'm using the Airspun loose powder and the translucent but extra coverage powder. Now for my bronzer, I will be using the Tarte Don't Be Afraid to Dazzle. And I'll be using the shade right here. This is like a very subtle bronzer, but it's really nice. It's really pretty. I do like it. Peaches by MAC. It is probably one of my favorite MAC blushes. It is gorgeous, and I think it's very universal for all different skin colors and undertones. It's actually a very popular shade, by the way. So now for my highlight, which is obviously my favorite part. I love doing highlights, and lately I have been obsessing over my Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette. See, they're pink. I'm gonna just mix the two. Mix Pink Heart and Purple Horseshoe, which are these two right here. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go and use Purple Horseshoe, and I'll apply that in the center of, not the center, but the inner corner right here. My tear duct. Yes. You know what? I'm gonna play a little bit of Pink Heart. The top. Just a little. Use my Dose of Colors lip gloss in Dolly. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Finny Matte Photo Focus setting spray. Not that I'm like fucking going anywhere. It's like almost midnight. I really enjoyed doing this look. It really didn't take too long. It is actually really gorgeous. It's very fun. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys watched it. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching. All of my social media and everything will be linked down in the description, so go ahead and keep up with me. Hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with me and keep up with all of my videos, and when I post, then hit that bell button too, and you will get a post notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.